Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on about the instructor. So this will be a quick video about myself wherein I will be introducing myself and why I feel I am qualified to teach you this course. So introduction. So I have total 22 years of experience in IT. I have extensive experience with cloud, DevOps, data engineering, machine learning and artificial intelligence. I also have full stack development experience with Java, Python, JavaScript and React. I have total 7 years of teaching experience with 3 years on Udemy currently and 4 years experience offline. I hold master's degree in software engineering. I currently have more than 10 courses on Udemy spanning AWS Cloud, Google Cloud, Kubernetes and Elasticsearch. Currently I have 90,000 students and 200,000 plus enrollments. I have more than 50 certificates on AWS Cloud, Azure, Google, Oracle, data certificates, DevOps certification like Kubernetes, Docker, AI and ML related certification, and information security certifications like CISSP and CISM. I have held and passed all the AWS certifications on multiple times. So first I will quickly go through some of my certification so that you can be rest assured that you are being taught by somebody who has already been there and done that. So this is AWS certificate Solutions Architect Professional. So first time this is the current one which is valid from 2024 till 2027. And this was the previous occasion wherein I held this certification from 2020 to 2023. Coming to AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional. So this is the current one which is valid from 2024 till 2027. And the previous occasion it was from 2021 till 2024. And data related certification. So currently it is Data Engineer Associate, but there was different names given to it for the data specialty. So this is the current one which is 2024 till 2027. And this was previously, it was from 2020 till 2023. And it was earlier called as AWS Certified Data Analytics Specialty. And the first time when it was launched, it was AWS Certified Big Data Specialty, and that was valid from 2017 till 2019. Coming to Security Specialty, and this is valid for 6 years, and this is starting from 2019 till 2025, because security is something very stable and there's less changes, so it's valid for a longer duration. Coming to Advanced Networking Specialty, and this is the current one which is from 2022 till 2025, and this is also valid for 3 years. And on my previous occasion, I wrote first on 2018 and that was valid till 2020. And lastly, Machine Learning Specialty. And this is from 2020 till 2023. And so this is due, and this is the one which I'll be preparing next. And coming to all associate levels courses. So I have similar to other professional level, I have held and passed all the associate level courses. So this includes AWS Solutions Architect Associate, AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate, and the AWS Certified Developer Associate. So with that, I hope I have given you a good sense of my background and my qualifications. I am committed to delivering high quality, practical content that will help you achieve your AWS certification goals. Based on my experience teaching thousands of students, I am confident you will find great value in this course, and let's begin this exciting journey together. Thanks for watching.